Robust, durable, and flexible, these words describe the world of Montech's aluminum framing systems. The tried and tested quick-set framing system has been winning people over for several decades with its robustness and load-bearing capacity in substructures and superstructures. Thanks to the dovetail, tight clamping connections are possible, which allow easy, fast, and flexible adjustment without the need for drilling or pinning. In addition, the quick-set is vibration-resistant, making it ideal for demanding applications. Profiles with screw channels enable front-end fastening of additional components. In addition, profiles with round notches offer the possibility of guiding or integrating round objects. The quick-set has been enhanced by our experienced engineers, and this has resulted in the new generation of profile technology, the MPS aluminum framing system. The MPS can be used to supplement all quick-set attachments. The MPS offers an innovative 2-in-1 function. It combines a dovetail and dovetail groove system. These ensure precise and secure clamping of the profiles, as well as attachment of accessories such as adjustable feet or windows. Connectors enable precise and efficient assembly without mechanical processing. All clamping connections are accessible from the outside. The profile's optimized geometry requires less aluminum. Less material means less weight for the aluminum profiles. This also allows more sustainable and cost-effective production. Nevertheless, our profiles offer great stability and corrosion resistance. The MPS is an optimal solution for a wide range of industries, including mechanical engineering and logistics. Examples of its applications are modular cells and substructures, although there are many others as well. In addition, due to its hygienic properties, the MPS is also ideal for demanding environments such as the pharmaceutical and food industries. The possibilities are endless. We look forward to working with you to make your wishes come true.